main stairways are located at the rear of each deck, and a small safety stairway is located forward on each deck. Please use only the rear stairways during normal conditions. Life jackets are stored in overhead racks on the first and second decks, and in storage boxes on the top deck. Instructions for donning life jackets are posted around the vessel. Life rings are positioned on the top deck forward, and both forward and aft on the first and second decks. Also, several life floats are stored on the top deck. We do not anticipate using any of this equipment, but feel free to contact a crew member if you have any questions. Security is also a concern for all. Please do not leave any bags or packages unattended, and be sure to take all of your belongings with you